Good old metal truck getting beat up. You got it all hidden underneath. There you go. Nice. Is it at 1 ohm or half ohm?
It's at
1 ohm, okay. With a crossfire 4-channel,
yeah,
100 amp hour lithium, and then a limitless 45 amp hour.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice. Show me. Sweet. Well, you compete a lot.
Oh yeah.
Any alternator upgrades?
Oh yeah.
Can I see the alternator too? Kind of. I know it looks ugly. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High. What vehicle and year model is this?
85, 85.
Really? Wow, okay.
I put the air conditioner on, so put my alternator.
There you go. Okay.
370 on.
Good old metal truck getting beat up though. It helps for SPL though, it does good for it. Oh yeah. Nice. Music Mafia?
Yeah.
Alright. What is the box tuning on it? Like the SPL, you've tested on it and all?
Yeah, we ain't got the board long yet.
Okay. Thanks for showing me, man. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, JacobViral. Awesome.
I'm still trying.
That's all good. The higher frequency it really likes.
Yeah, it's 61, 62.
Really? That's when it'll burp?
Yeah, I still feed in the NSBL. I don't have feed.
Okay. So what is your name and what else in here real quick?
Huh?
What's your name and everything in here?
My name's Michael May. I got 2.
Is this on?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay, go ahead.
215, 800, 15s, 8,000, and just got a Crossfire 800x4 for the front.
Okay. Nice. Where's the, is that the port right here?
Yeah.
So you actually sit in this right here.
Yeah, that's the only way I can get to drive it. So I mean.
Got it. But if you ever compete, you could take this out?
I can, but it does better with it in.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Because it kind of loads off. That's kind of blocking it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
How big is the box?
That just goes all the way over. Like it right there, it's boxed in. But I put the port there because it was just sort of a free air. Made the speakers hot.
Yeah.
So I put that.
Okay.
We'll put the port in.
Yes, sir. Nice. Where's the amp and all? Can I see the amp?
Yeah, the battery.
Oh, it's on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it all hidden underneath. There you go. Nice. Is it at 1 ohm or half ohm?
It's at
1 ohm, okay. Show me. Sweet. I know it looks ugly. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High. The higher frequency it really likes.
Yeah, it does.